Good morning from Grong. It's a wonderful day here in Norway once again, and the plan for today is that we're going to head as much north as we can. We're currently here in Grong where we stayed last night, and we're going to head all the way north on Route 17. We've got a few ferries to catch here and here. The main destination, or the main ferry we're going to go for, is Holm, and then we're going to see how much more north we can get. But according to locals, this Route 17 to the coastal road is one of the most spectacular roads in all of Norway. So join us today as we head north.
Okay, so we are just turning onto Route 17 and starting the journey north.
Yeah, looking forward to this one. Heard a lot of good things about this route.
How many kilometres will we be on this road, Sean? Till the next direction?
The next 54 kilometres.
Yeah, I think it says at 54, does it say on the sat nav?
Yeah, it does, yeah. But I think we stay on the 17 a lot longer than 54 kilometres.
Yeah, I think the first ferry might be in 54, that's what I'm thinking.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Which is a good stopping point. It means we'll have been on the road for a good hour and a bit.
Yeah, they are nice little stop, the ferries. I quite enjoy them, don't we?
We're riding past our first fjord of the day, which is
Foldevegan is the next little town, I think. So it is Indre Folda is the name of the... Oh, it's a lake. Is it a lake?
Ah, it's a lake.
It's a very high, steep side lake. Could easily be mistaken for a fjord.
Whatever it is, it's absolutely stunning. Great way to start the day, and we're making good time and good progress. We still have, what is that, an hour 40 to our first stop of Horn.
And then we'll be right up back near the coast again though, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Looking forward to getting back to the coast. I've had enough of these trees for now. I'll have a little break of the trees, I think. Change of scenery. This is the Foldebrow Bridge. Wow, what a spectacular view from this one. It seems like there hasn't been a day in Norway where we've not been rewarded with these beautiful lake views. It's amazing, isn't it?
It's stunning. Just the way that the sun as well today is bouncing off the lake and fjord water is something special. And we're straight into another tunnel.
Sounds good in here.
Oh wow, that's a nice one, isn't it?
It is.
It's a little bit of a beach here on the sides. Yeah, it was white sand. It smells so like the sea.
It does, doesn't it? It must be, it must connect on him.
Got some zigs coming up.
Oh, thank goodness for that. The tyres getting a bit square. Look at the colours on this one, and the sun is beaming down on it. There's like green shores.
It's beautiful, and it's so clear.
It is, isn't it? They look so much different when the sun comes out. I think you're going to get a little view of it around this corner again.
Big mountain at 12 o'clock.
It is actually, isn't it? It's towering above the others. Wow, another spectacular view from Norway. I I think the reason we could smell the salt is that's the Norwegian Sea there. So is this the Lysfjord just here?
Lysfjord. Wow, I've heard of that and it's definitely living up to it. I don't know how often the ferries come around here. You know, I think as we get more north, they're a little bit less frequent, so we do need to keep that in mind.
Ah, yeah, makes sense, wouldn't it, if they're not so busy?
Yeah. Wow, look at the road you're on.
It's amazing. What a nice boat that one is.
Oh, it is, yeah.
But these are still waiting.
So they're doing some work to the dock area. It'll be lovely when it's finished.
We are finally on the ferry to Vennesund. We caught it from Holm. We had quite a wait. I think it was about 40 minutes, do you think, Cam?
Yeah, the boat was there, but it just didn't move.
Yeah, there is a reduced service on Saturday, so that's something to keep in mind. But I'm not sure if there was another issue because, like, a captain arrived in a car, so maybe the other guy was sick.
Anyway, we're on the boat, so always good. It's a beautiful ferry ride over as well. We've got fjords and mountain peaks all around us, which is really lovely.
Yeah, it's spectacular.
And I think we're going to do a little bit of a different route now. We know because there were 6 ferries on the route north. So Sean's found an alternate.
Yeah, one of the last well, the next ferry that we would have got, the last one after that, would have been tomorrow, so it's actually not possible to do that route all in one day, especially on a Saturday. Maybe it is in the week.
Yeah.
But after we get onto the mainland here, we're going to take the road a little bit east and head into another national park.
Which I think will be nice because it's a bit of a change of scenery again.
Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong whichever route you pick here in Norway. So yeah, that's the plan there. We're going to head in east a little bit before the road swings round back again, and we'll be heading north before we know it again.
Yeah, I think we just need to slow down as well a little bit. We're a bit rush and we need to just enjoy. Here we're always like next destination. So
yeah, it's
going to take a little bit of time, go a bit slower through this region and enjoy as we like make our way up to Boho.
I think Boho,
yeah.
for the Lysfjord Island.
Yeah, for the Lysfjord Island ferry.
That is one ferry we do need to get to.
Ready to go, Shawnee?
Yeah, ready to go.
He wants you to go when you can. Thank you. Well, that was a quick disembarking.
It was, wasn't it? It was.
Goodness me.
Took a long time to get on, but get you off pretty quickly. That smells good, doesn't it, that cafe?
It does actually. Oh, what a cute little place we've arrived in.
Oh, that's a nice cool breeze.
We've taken off several layers on the ferry.
We've stopped for a quick break. There are infinite places where you can stop here in Norway, as every corner that we turn seems to be another beautiful lake and fantastic vista. The route we are taking at the moment is somewhere, just the ferry that we just took there. The ferries that were going to take us further to these islands was the last one was in an hour because it's Sunday and it's a super reduced service. So we dropped down here and we're around about this region now, and we're about to head back up north this direction. And to Bodo, I think from here would be about a 5-hour ride. So I'm not sure, I don't think we'll do that all today because it's almost late afternoon now, but we'll see how far we can get today. And then if we can get to Bodo maybe tomorrow night, we can either take the ferry to the Lofton's the next day, or perhaps we could even take a late ferry tomorrow night to the Lysfjord Islands and stay there. But we're going to head on and carry on north. I thought this was going to be a boring section when I looked at the map, but no, it's another awesome road carved into the side of a rock. Look at that little house there perched on the rocks there. It's such an amazing.
Norway or Sweden?
Well, I don't think we saw enough of Sweden to make a fair call on that one. But
True.
That waterfall in Sweden was spectacular. I really like that one. And then the reindeers, that was good. But I think Norway with its coastline might just have the edge. But we'll have to wait and see.
What's that the turn off for, Sean?
We just turned onto the E6 and we're heading to, I've forgotten the name of the place where we're heading now.
Is it called like Mosenite? It begins with an M, I remember.
It did begin with an M, yeah.
He's in a rush.
He's in a rush. There we go. Mosjøen. 61 kilometers.
Alright then.
And that's the road that's going to help us pick up that coast road again, isn't it?
Hopefully, yeah. We'll see how we feel when we get to there. I think is a good plan.
Yeah. It's 4:30 now.
Okay.
But yeah, and we've got all the food and water with us, so we are independent today, so we can stop where we want.
Sounds like good. We have found the perfect little camping spot. We've got a cabin for the night. We're in room 12, which
Quite convenient, these, aren't they?
This one right here.
It's dinner time at the hut, and Em has made a lovely dinner tonight.
Yeah, it was nice to have a bit more room in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's true. And more than one pan.
Yeah, that was nice. So we've just made some. We had some burgers. So we scored jackpot, found some bacon in the coops here in Norway, have vegan bacon in. And we're going to tuck in and enjoy the view, little lake view. This place was perfect. It was 40?
I think a 40, 50 quid this one, I think.
Yes, 650 Norwegian
Krona.
krona. And it's perfect. You don't have to put the tent up in the morning, tent down even in the morning.
Yeah,
so
dry it off. Notice the more north we're getting, the less busy it is.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Because further south, when we were looking for places, they were fully booked out and campsites were full to the brim. But this place, yeah, they had rooms available and there's plenty of spaces for camping as well. So it's actually really quiet here at the moment.
And we've put a laundry load on, so it's all good.
Oh, we're actually going to smell good tomorrow, which is nice.
Yeah, so we'll catch you all in a little bit after we've had dinner.
Yeah, let's tuck into this before it gets cold. It's about 10 o'clock here now. We finished dinner, cleared up, and we've been planning our route for tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to head to Bodø, which is about a 4-hour ride away, and we're going to stop by through the Arctic Circle. There's actually a visitor centre there which marks the line on the floor where the Arctic Circle is. We tried to get the ferry to the Lofton Islands for around about 4 o'clock. However, this one was fully booked, so we're going to have to take the later one, which is at 7 p.m. It's a 3-hour crossing, so yeah, we're not going to land into the Lofton Islands till about 10 p.m. But we found a hostel that's really close by, so as soon as we get off the ferry, we can go straight there, check in and get some rest, and then we'll explore the Lofton Islands from there. So join us in the next episode as we go to the Arctic Circle and head to Bodø to catch the ferry to the Lofton Islands.